Plan with purpose. Teach with confidence. Using the room exit tracking and behavior monitoring tool. To begin, click on the Tracking tab from your dashboard. Select your class period. It's a good practice to keep this tool open during the class period for quick access. Students are listed alphabetically by first name. Monitoring student exits. When a student leaves the room, the restroom option is selected by default. If they are going to the restroom, simply click Exit. If they're headed elsewhere, like the nurse, office, or media center, select the appropriate option before clicking Exit. Once you've clicked Exit, the student will appear in the exit list below. This lists students who have left and not returned. When the student comes back, click Return next to their name. If class gets busy and you forget to mark their return, don't worry, their names will still appear in the exit list and on your dashboard for easy reference. If a student is called to the dean's office, select Deans and then click Exit. If they don't return to class that day, set their return time as the period's end time. This ensures an accurate record of instructional minutes missed. Logging behavior. To monitor behavior, click the behavior icon next to a student's name. This will display their profile, including a count of positive and negative behaviors. For example, to log a positive behavior, such as leadership, select Positive, type your comment, and choose the appropriate behavior tag. To log a negative behavior, such as excessive talking or disrupting others, select Negative, type your comment, and choose the relevant tag. A good practice is to copy your behavior comments and paste them into an email or referral for documentation. You're all set. Go inspire.